Shh, tumingin ka naman. Welcome to our Barton Flats campsite number 31. Buti na lang walang fire restrictions, so pwede kaming mag campfire mamaya, mag grill din ng aming dinner.
I think we have to do the first canopy.
Oo, para maka-lunch tayo.
First. Before the tents. Diba?
Yep.
Tapos if it's not too hot, then we set up the tent.
Okay.
We do
Set
the
up muna kami.
canopy first.
Alright, we are almost done with our camp setup. This is our kitchen and dining area. Mayroong fire pit and grill. Of course, meron ding bear locker. Nagre-relax na si Labidu. Tulog na yata. Ayan, ito ang tent namin. And ang tent ni Toby. And sa likod, yan ang aming pop-up shower/toilet. How's everything?
Good.
Are you having fun so far? Yep. Lakas pala niyan, ha? Hindi na binobomba, no?
Yeah.
Isang ano lang. Sige pa, konti pa.
Wait, what's that noise? Let's go take a look at what my dad's doing.
Uy!
Okay guys, time to prepare dinner. Inuuna ni Toby itong grilled corn. Okay, init anak ha. And in our camp kitchen, luto na ba tami? Luto na pala ang mashed potato. Kasi mamaya-maya i-grill na itong
Use the tongue. Use
pork
the tongue.
chops.
What's the smoke?
Use the tongue.
Tong tong to tong tong tong. Rise and shine. It's now almost 7 a.m. Maaga nagising ang aming camp chef. Naunahan ako. Nagluto na pala siya ng breakfast. Ano na lang yung naabutan ko. What is that? Ooh, fried eggs. Sarap. Ano na yung naluto? Wow! Bacon! Sausage! Tapos scrambled eggs. Yan na ba yan? Meron pa?
Pancake.
Pancakes pa. Rapsa. Para ako nag-workout. Pawis na pawis. Naligpit na namin ang aming campsite. Yan na lang mga gamit sa mesa. Pero all the rest naligpit na. Nandito na sa sasakyan. Alright, so until next camping trip. Bye-bye.